Join me as we prepare together this delicious alkaline high-protein wild rice bowl, and guess what? It's delicious. Let's begin, and all of my ingredients are already prepared and will be in the description box below. For the wild rice, begin by adding in 10 cups of water, and when it comes to a boil, add in 0.225 pounds of wild rice and time it for 50 minutes on medium heat. And as we can see, it is coming together. And afterwards, we want to now strain and get rid of the remaining liquid. In the meantime, let's cook our chickpeas. The wild rice is perfectly done. Add in 40 ounces of water and 0.500 pounds of dried chickpeas. Cover and let's turn on our pressure cooker. We want to power on, select pressure cook, high heat, and use the plus button to increase the numbers. When we see the steam release, it means that it has reached its cooking temperature, and when it is finished, you can release the steam by yourself, or it can do by itself manually. Let's check our chickpeas, and they are perfectly done. Definitely not too hard and not too soft. The Our Place Stream Cooker does the job well, so we will strain and then work on cooking the wild rice. 2 teaspoons of avocado oil, 2 ounces of diced onions, 6 cloves for flavor. Mix together and add 2 to 3 bay leaves. Stir again for a little bit, and after onions have browned, quickly remove the cloves. Followed by 4 teaspoons of water to prevent sticking. And then we want to add the prepped wild rice. For seasonings, add 2 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, basil, onion powder, oregano, and fresh thyme. And if you see your wild rice sticking to the pan, simply add water, so use your discretion, and then mix and make sure everything is mixed in. And this is the base for our plate, so we want to add this in first and set aside to work on our cucumber tomato salad. Adding in 2 ounce tomatoes and cucumbers, 1.5 tablespoons of freshly squeezed key lime, 0.20 ounce of onion sliced, 1/4 teaspoon of agave sweetener, and a pinch of sea salt. Mix together, store in refrigerator, moving right along to begin our steamed chickpeas. Add in 1 teaspoon of avocado oil, 1 tablespoon of onion, and 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme. Next, add 4 ounces of water. My pot was too hot, that's why I removed it from under the heat until it cooled down. Add in 3 ounces of the prepped chickpeas we prepared earlier, and then add in 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, basil, and 2 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. We want the water to dry up, so if you prefer a little bit of gravy, then only let it simmer for 5 minutes, or just add additional water. Then after it is finished, we want to add it on top of the wild rice and begin preparing our sauteed veggies. Teaspoon of avocado oil, squash, zucchini, onions, and bell peppers, and 2 ounce mushrooms, a 1/2 teaspoon of fresh thyme, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil, and to prevent sticking, let's add at least 3 teaspoons of water. Stir to ensure all seasonings are mixed properly. Comment below how you like your veggies. Oh, I forgot to add a pinch of sea salt, so yes, let's mix that quickly. It's ready to serve, but if you want it cooked a little more, let it simmer, and then we want to add this next to the chickpeas that has already been cooked. Followed by our cucumber tomato salad that was in the refrigerator. And you can put as much avocado as you like, and that's about it. This is delicious, guys. You can tell by my smile, huh? Want to book a virtual cooking class with me? Head on over to my website, and thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so already.